Many times when I'm speaking on this subject, I will have a brother who will comment, and his whole question will be, well, dog, you make me feel like I'm not even necessary. And I don't want you to feel that way in any way. That's not my purpose of speaking this information. I'm specifically making sure the woman understands who she is and what her powers is, because the biggest issue in society today is that the fact that women don't know who they are. Somebody has told us that we're not worth anything unless you have a man, and that is a problem. That's a problem for the simple fact that if she doesn't understand who she is and what her value is, then she's going to keep giving that away. And until the woman uplifts herself, this whole society is going to stay unbalanced, because she is the reason why it's unbalanced. If the woman is unbalanced, your society is unbalanced. And I'm telling you, you can look around and see how unbalanced this society is. So I'm speaking to her because she needs to uplift herself. And brother, I'm letting you know this is not to degrade you or your purpose in any way. So then the thing becomes, are all men bad? Nobody said that. I can give you statistics, however, that's going to suggest to you that there are certain types that do certain issues, which is what I'm getting ready to do. But I'm not saying in any way that all men are bad, but I'm going to give you some statistics because we need to pay attention to what's going on, speaking to the women. When we're talking about violence against women and children, it doesn't matter what society you go into, what skin color, what country. When we're talking about violence against women and children, more than 85% of the perpetrators are male. When we're talking about robberies, more than 85% of the perpetrators are males. When we're talking about rape, and you know what I'm talking about, more than 85% of the perpetrators are male. When we're talking about violent crimes, more than 85% of the perpetrators are males. When we're talking about urdimays, more than 85% of the perpetrators are male. And you would say, well, we got a male problem. And I would say we have a female problem. Why you say that, Diva? Well, because 100% of those males came from a female. And this is where a lot of people get upset with me. I get it. But just pay attention before you knee jerk. Because the question becomes, who created these monsters? Even though it's not all men who are doing this, the ones who do these things, the vast majority of them are males. So then I got to ask the question, who created these monsters? Who created them? Women. 100% of them came from women. So then the question becomes, how do we get to her to keep her from creating a monster? Let's understand something. This is not to say that women don't have their own fair share of dirt that they do. This is not saying that women don't. But this is saying that when you create a being of such type, then you got to recognize what kind of being this is. This is a volatile being. The Y chromosome is a volatile chromosome. And then if the woman is not teaching that being how to be in society, well, you're going to get a monster. So who created the monster? It becomes my question. How do we get her to be on her point where she doesn't create him that goes out here and does the urdimays and the rapings and the robberies and the violent crimes and the crimes against women and children? How do we keep that from happening? You get to her, the whole society uplifts. This is what I'm saying. And here's the thing. When I start speaking about women being accountable, other folks want to attack. I've had this before. Somebody attacking me because I said women need to be accountable. Only thing I'm dealing with, woman, is that everything comes from you. Nothing gets in this society unless it comes through your Stargate. And the problem is, a lot of you all are sleeping with the enemy. You're sleeping with demons, And when I talk about this, nobody wants to hear it. That's okay. That's okay. Because what I do is I put this on record so that 5-10 years from now, when somebody starts spewing the same thing, it's okay. I said it 10 years ago. I get it. Nobody wants to hear it right now, but it needs to be said. When the woman comes into order, everything must come into order. So when I look at the rapings and the urtimays and the robberies and the child molestations and all these other things, who created those monsters? And how do we keep her from creating that monster? Remember to keep that bell on for notifications. Follow UNA Republic for more great information.